What's up everybody, this is Grant Evans from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing the brand new tailgate applique on this 24 Toyota Tacoma, so go ahead and follow along with us. With your tailgate applique, you'll also receive our copy of the digital installation instructions, a tube of adhesion promoter, and the tools you'll need are some alcohol and a clean cloth. You may also want to use a putty knife or a plastic trim tool, as well as some masking tape. First, you'll need to perform a dry fit. Do this by following all the instructions in this video without removing the red backing to the tape. This gives you the opportunity to check for a good fit while allowing you to have some practice before the applique is permanently on the truck. Check to make sure the applique is centered side to side. Clean the area of your truck where the part will be installed with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any debris or residue. Use your trim tool and a rag to clean underneath the tailgate cap. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated to puncture the vial inside. Apply the adhesion promoter to all areas of the tailgate where the 3M tape will be touching down. Peel back the edges of your 3M tape and wrap it around to the front side for access later in the process. Secure it in place with masking tape. If your applique has protective film, peel back the top section of the film so it doesn't get stuck when fitting it under the tailgate trim. Now slide the applique under the tailgate trim, making sure it's centered on the tailgate. Continue tucking the top edge of the applique as you make your way across. You can use your trim tool if you need help sliding the top edge of the applique underneath the tailgate trim. Now begin putting pressure on the exposed areas of the 3M tape to seat the applique into place. Next, we're going to use the red backing tabs we exposed earlier in the video. Remove the backing by gently pulling back on the tabs to expose the tape underneath while applying pressure on the part as you go. Now that everything's in place, apply firm pressure to the entire part using your microfiber or non-scratching cloth. Now for the most satisfying part of this installation, you can remove the protective film from your applique. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was an easy install for you. We have a lot of new products coming out for the Tacoma over the next couple months, so stay tuned.